filming. Oh my gosh, there's a forest fire!
Check it out.
Let's go to the fire. Whee! As you can see, we're approaching the fire. There's a house where the world is spinning. There's a dog.
Editor.
There's a dog. There's a dog in a fire.
What kind of accent
Gosh. Some Italian restaurant.
is that? You mean Italian?
No.
Oh, just an Italian restaurant.
Let's go on a walk through the mystical forest. Hop the leading liver. Yeah. Say hi. Don't say hi.
Thanks, I feel so loved.
Over the road we journey home.
There's a-
Journey. Look at the dog. It's coming towards me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's poisonous. Oh my gosh. Oh my
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, did you? No. I got my room redone. We just went and got a lot of Pottery Barn teen stuff. Like, we're still getting the bed, though. Well, the bed's gonna be black, and then I got a lot of zebra print stuff.
The squeaky bucket of the dog. It's so wonderful. Oh my gosh, we have to run from it! It's coming! It's coming! Oh my gosh, it's actually coming.
You didn't believe me when I said it would?
Look at it. It wants to bite me and inject its poison in me. Oh my
Are all dogs
gosh. No, only certain.
Let's run.
No, he might inject his poison in me. Ah! He's running. Poison. Poison dog. Poison dog. Poison dog. Poison tongue. It's a poisonous dog. Let's go touch it. The road, the never-ending road to the dog. It's wagging its tail. Wow, Crocky!
He's still
Look at
following us.
the man! He's following us.
Stop it, poisonous dog.
Oh my gosh! I must run. He's leaving. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna die. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah, the land is sold. We are here to die. Oh my gosh, I can't run. The poisonous dog. And the fire. Poison and fire. Jessica! It's coming! This is Crocky Crane Kruggle, and I'm about to die.